Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert BNB to USDT in MEXC exchange. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then you need to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have a verified account on MEXC, I would highly recommend you to create your account with the link that is given in the description so that you could earn up to 8,000 plus USDT as sign-up bonus. Now once you are on the home page, simply tap on the more option and over here in the assets you will see convert. So tap on convert and you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here you will see this little circle, so you need to tap on this circle so that USDT could come in the to section. Then tap on the drop down menu under from and here you need to simply search for BNB. Now this option is quite slow, so you will have to simply wait for some time until BNB shows in front of you. Now if it doesn't show, you just have to simply come on the convert section again and do the same step again and then tap on the drop down menu, and over here you can just scroll down a bit and here we have BNB. So it should look something like this, where you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to convert into USDT and it will show you the conversion, and the conversion rate is also written in the bottom. Then tap on the preview conversion option and you will be given 10 seconds in order to complete this conversion without any fees. So you need to simply do that, and this way you will be able to convert BNB to USDT in MEXC as of 2025. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.